So hello students. In this class we'll be talking about functions in programming. So first we need to talk about what functions are. So here now, a function is a block of codes that does a specific job. So a function in Python, large or let me say code that may seems like it's too much and bring it together as one. So that's what we call a function. So in order to create a function, we have to use the keyword def. So for example, this is what I mean here. If you want to create a function, you use the keyword def. So def is used to define your function, to start any function. Anytime you want to create a function of yours, you can just start with def. Then what follows after this is you can give it any name you want. For example, I can just give it a, let me just name it class. So this class now is the name of a function. Just like we have prints, just like we have prints. This print is a function on its own, right? So class and what follows by it is a bracket. And that's how you create a function. Then followed by a column. Then automatically when you press enter, it takes you to the next line. Now you see this space here. This space here now is called indentation in Python. So it automatically just gives you this space. So that's how you create a function in Python. So another point is a function can receive data that is input and return a result. Exactly. So for example, let's say that I want to just print out let me just print we print out hello world. So now this is under this function class. So if I now want to make this function work, what I have to do next is to call it. So in Python, if in function, when you create a function, this function will not work unless you call it rather, sorry. So to call your function, you use the same name you used to create your function, which is class, right? So now, when you want to call this class now, you write exactly class. You see, so now this is a function. This now is a function. So looking at this now, it's I'm not sure this will work. So now what we have to do is the main reason it should not work is this name. This name class is also like is a what do you call it? I think an attribute in function. So in Python. So we'll talk about how to use class in Python later, but for this course sake, let's just use a different name. Let me use hello. So here too, I'll change it to hello. So now this is how you create a function. So now when you run this, any code inside of this function will print out exactly what's what's it called out. So def hello prints hello world, then you call the function name, which is hello. So now if I run this, okay, so here's the result here now. You can see hello world, exactly whatever. So let's move forward for a minute. Let's say we want to use like addition of a word, or like let me use addition, right? So let's give it the variable first. Let's say a equals to, sorry, equals to 3 and b 3 2. So now I want to add this together. I can now use print a plus b. You see this now? So we're expected to get any code inside of this function to work, right? So now this a plus b now is basically 3 plus 3. So let's run this and see now. You see, the answer is 6. So now that's exactly what a function is. So now whenever you are asked to like, or you are obligated, or you want to create a function, right? You can just start simply like by writing this keyword, which is def, then hello, which is your name. This hello it doesn't have to be hello. You can remember you can name it anything you want. It can be anything at all. So then you can any code you want to write now belongs to this function. Do you understand? So functions help us reduce code instead of writing it again. So yes, let's say we want to use this exact code now. Instead of writing all of this code again, I can just simply call the function, which is hello bracket open and close. So now this is exactly, in fact, this is the main reason the function exists, to be able to use it later instead of rewriting that same code over and over and over and over again. So with function, it helps us to use codes instead of writing it again. So a function only runs when it's called. Exactly. So with this now, let's say remove. Sorry. So now let's say this, we take this off. This will not work because let's run this first. So now there's nothing here. It gives no results because we did not, since all this code here now are under this function, right? Since we did not call this function, it won't work. It won't bring out any results. It's just blank. So now, unless we call this function, which is hello, then it will work. We'll see. So yeah, you see, 6, that is 3 plus 3, 6. So that's basically what a function is. It's a block of codes which can be reused later on instead of writing the code over and over again. So I believe this should be the end of the video, and I hope you guys can learn from this simple explanation of a function.